Nairobi real estate is growing outward, and this house for sale in Ruiru, Kenya is right on its path. Today, come with me as I take you through this villa for sale, 4-bedroom all-en-suite, plus a SKU, plus an extra room that you can make it an office or an extra bedroom. So you can see we have a space for 2 cars. We also have a garden space, and this entry foyer leads you to this magnificent living space. Our living space has a double volume. Just look at this massive executive lighting and lighting spaces. Just look at the big, tall windows. So our spacious living room leads you to the dining area with an open kitchen right here. This is a 4-seater, but it can fit up to an 8-seater. Yeah, we have a sink here with extra storage spaces and a mirror. Just come, I show you. So this beautiful, spacious kitchen comes with a hood to suck in all the smoke from the food. It comes with a 5-burner table cooker, and just to mention, it comes with this pot filler, so you don't have to rush all to the sink to get some water. So we have our double sink here, and enough storage spaces all over this place and up here. And just for lighting, we have enough window space, this big. On the opposite side, we have this massive fridge space that fits us side by side. We have all this extra storage. And on this door, we have our laundry area, very spacious. It has a double sink. You can put your washer and dryer, and an extra storage space to put all your cleaning items. Come right here, we have a back garden where you can hang your clothes to dry. You can also do some nyama choma here or just chill out here. And on this other end, we have a DSQ. This servant quarter is very, very spacious, as you can see. This is the bed space. It has very cute side lights. It also has a very big closet space. And on this end, we have a washroom that is quite large as well. You can actually use this space as a guest room because this developer was very kind to this space. It's usually very tiny servant quarter space, but this is just the size of our first bedroom. Right from the laundry, I'm going to take you where we have our guest bedroom. Very conveniently placed, very private, and good space right there. And this is our first bedroom, the only bedroom on the ground level. And suite, as I mentioned earlier, and I love the fact that it has this huge window. And just to mention, these huge windows in the bedroom is on all bedrooms. You're going to note that as we proceed. And onto our wardrobe, as you can see, very spacious, very wide. I love the fact that it comes with this handle, so we don't struggle to open. Another thing to note, we don't have that space that usually collects dust. And finally, as you can notice, the color of the wardrobe complements the color of the wall. Yes, and this is like this in every room. Very spacious, very wide. So that's it on our ground level. This wide staircase leads us to the first level of this house, where we have the master bedroom and the 2 other bedrooms. And we also have a very spacious family room. Come with me. So this beautiful villa comes with this amazing and very spacious family room. And just look, all this space, you can have a very big family room, family TV, I mean, where you can watch a family movie time, or if you are hosting down there, your kids can just enjoy their shows over here. You can also make it a play area for your kids, where it's quiet, there are no many decorations to be broken. And then I just love the fact that it has this void, so airy, the windows are so high, the lighting is so good, and you can just enjoy a good family time here. Right from the family room, we come to this beautiful, spacious master bedroom. And something that I love about this master bedroom is this walk-in closet kind of space. It has enough wardrobe space for 2. And just to mention again, I love the handles, and I also love the color coordination. I love the fact that we do not have any dust accumulating area. And where it's placed, just right next to the washroom, where after the bathroom, you don't need to go all the way to the bedroom. Look, another thing is this shower closet. So all the water remains there, and you have a nice, clean and dry bathroom. Yes, as you can see, the space is quite big. We also have this vanity space right here. It's wide enough with a lot of storage spaces. Just take a look. I also love the fact that this bathroom is divided into 2. It has the shower cubicle and it has this vanity area. So this allows you to have a very dry and clean bathroom. I love the fact that it has extra storage spaces in the bathroom. And the space is quite big from the toilet. And let's see, it comes already provided with towel hangers. We also have a glass here for brushing. Yeah. From our shower area and our walk-in closet, we come right here to our bed space. And the space is very big. It can actually accommodate a king-size bed and 2 side-by-side drawers, and also leaves you with a lot of space to walk around. And if you thought that was the only closet we had, you're wrong. We have this very wide space. We have extra storage spaces here, and down here we have more space. And you can choose to make this a dressing table, or you can put here your TV and just enjoy a quiet time away from the kids. And we have a very huge sliding door that leads you to a private balcony. Just come. Very, very nice. The balcony is wide enough to accommodate outdoor seats. You can put here like 2 very nice outdoor seats with a table. You can chill here. You can enjoy the sunrise and the sunset. Just to mention, the cladding that is on the facade area extend all the way to this balcony. Just give it a nice aesthetic theme going on right there. And another thing to mention is these lights that we find on both sides, and the 3 lights on the ceiling area. And another thing, now that we're talking about the ceiling area, you can see how it has extended right past the balcony space. And this allows you not to, or rather it blocks the rain from coming into your balcony. Also, I love the quality of glass used here. It's very secure. And it has that privacy aspect in that you cannot see inside, but it does not affect the natural light. So this beautiful corridor comes with this amazing light fixture. And On my right hand side, we have a third bedroom that is identical to the one on the ground level. And on my left side, we have the fourth bedroom that is a bit special. Come and show you. And this fourth bedroom has two interesting factors that I love. Number one, when you come in, you go directly to the washroom before going to the bed space. And number two, it has these huge sliding doors that leads you to a balcony. So for the other four bedrooms, only the master has a balcony, and now this one. And just to mention on this wardrobe space, it comes with this extra storage space. You can actually use it as a book storage or shoes storage. If this was my house, I know my firstborn would fight for this room, not because of the wardrobe, because he's a boy, but because of this amazing and beautiful balcony. Just look how spacious it is. Wow, you can actually do some barbecue here if you don't want to go to the third roof, or just host some friends and just enjoy. So this staircase leads us to the rooftop, where I'm going to show you that interesting room I told you about. Come with me. As we go up, just notice the wooden finishing on the staircase brings in the warmth and luxury of this space. We have this extra space. You can actually use this as a playroom. We have a sink right here. Come. This is our very huge and spacious rooftop, and this is the room I told you about. Very huge room. In this area that people are working from home, you could utilize this space as your very nice office space. You can have your visitor's couch right here and your huge desk right here, and you just enjoy working from home without any noise from the other family members, the kids, because it's on the rooftop. And if you decide to use this space as a gym, you can fit the treadmill and any other gym equipment that you may have it. And if you decide to use this as a man cave, it is the perfect spot because it has Wi-Fi provision, it has sockets for charging your phone, or even enjoying a football match. Mind you, you can do nyama choma just right here on the rooftop, and the washroom is just right here. Come, let me show you. Do you want to know why this is the best family home? I'll list you 3 functionalities that this home offers. Number 1, just imagine there's a chama for the women on the ground level in the living room. On the family room, we have the kids enjoying the space. And on this rooftop, we have the men enjoying football and nyama choma. And nobody is getting onto the way of the other one because every level in this house has power and internet supply. It also has washroom, and that's how functional this villa for sale in Ruiru, Kenya is. And just to mention, this wide and huge shed right over here allows you to host up to 50 people. So you can do your Aurora shows, your chama, your parties right over here without being disturbed by the weather changes. Too much sun, too much rain, not to worry. So this beautiful villa in Ruiru goes for 17.5 million Kenyan shillings, and it lies on a 240 square meters on a 30 by 70 piece of land. We have two phases. This is currently phase 1, and the beauty about it, we have some off-plan units where you can come and customize as you please. If you'd love to check this villa out or explore more house for sale in Ruiru, Kenya, then call 0708 300 718. See you on the next one.